Hey all, this is a quick video on how to make a video and post it to the internet. So real quickly, things that you need. You need to have your notes or document that you're going to edit and put out there ready to go. I'm using an iPad so it can be made in Notes or on a note program. I usually use Notability because it takes PDFs and you can edit them, but it does cost money. This video will be made with the Notes program so you can see that, and it is free. You also need some sort of video processing. I'm using TechSmith video editing. And then you're just going to save and link it to the web. So first off, starting a video from your iPad. So make sure you have that video editing program downloaded. Like I said, I'm going to be using TechSmith Capture. So the very first thing is you pull down from the upper right hand corner, and you'll see that we're looking right in here, and we're going to click on the little dot right there that looks like a record button. And then when you click on it, you want to make sure that you click the TechSmith Capture and make sure your microphone is on for the screen recording. Once you do that, you're ready to go. It'll give you a countdown from 3, 2, 1, and then you'll start recording. So the next thing that you want to pull up is you want to go through your notes. So here's my notes: how many grams of water are formed when 20 grams of oxygen react, and I could just write right on that document, either using my iPad or using my finger or using my Apple Pencil, whichever I have. And once you're done with your notes, you've gone through that, you're ready, you're done, you've recorded everything you need. Your next step is to end your presentation. So again, you go to that pull down menu where we see that little red button right there, recording. And so what we're going to do at that point is we click it off and it'll stop recording. And so at that point, it'll take it somewhere. So we do need a YouTube account for that. So our next step, once we've recorded and it's saved on our iPad, we need a YouTube account. So you have to sign up for one if you don't already have one. I have one. I'm already signed in. The thing I want to do is I'm going to be looking for that little video camera. That's going to be the thing that I click. When I click that, it'll say, what do you want to upload? So you go back and you choose the video that you just finished. And this is the picture on the left is a picture of what will come up when you see that, and see how we're going through it. The second step, once you click the one you want and says upload, you now click in the upper right hand corner that says upload. You can also change the title of it. So if you want to change it to the title of your notes or whatever you're doing right there, so students can easily find it or keep track of the days or however you want to do that, that's what you do there. And then your last step, once it's published, it goes through, depending on the speed of your internet, it'll take a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 minutes max, depending also on the length of your video, right? So at that point, this is a published video, and at that point I can click share right there, and now I can share that URL with anybody who needs it. And that completes the video. Thanks.